I'm really glad MotorHelix decided to produce the FD2 Type R. While it may not be one of the traditional JDM hero cars, it's an icon among Honda enthusiasts, and I'd been looking forward to this release for quite some time. The highlights for me are the stance and the overall finish. The lowered ride height captures the aggressive look of the real car beautifully, while the championship white paint and red interior are both faithfully reproduced. That said, the quality control in my example could have been better. One corner of the bonnet wasn't finished properly, and both the underside of the engine and the standalone K20A had scratches straight out of the box. All things considered, it's a keeper for me. What do you think, or is there another model you'd like to see me review? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, please consider liking the video and subscribing to Shift and Scale. It really helps support a new channel and allows me to keep creating premium JDM diecast reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.